Okay, moving on to the next question, question number 6, where the question states that the diagram shows a simple pendulum that swings from point P to point Q through an angle of 30 degrees. If the length of the arc PQ is 55 cm, if this is 55 cm, calculate the length of the string of the pendulum. So in this case, we are going to find the length of the pendulum. If you can see that this is actually a circle, a part of a circle, a sector, a minor sector. So the question says that it wants to find the length of the string. Now, where is the length of the string? So here it is. So that is actually the radius of the circle. So that is what we are going to find out, that we want to find what is R. So now next, the question says that it is the length of PQ is 55 cm. So in this case, we are using the length of arc. Length of arc. So the formula is theta over 360 degree times 2 pi r, given that the pi is 22 over 7. So the question asks us to use these values. Okay, now next one is that we just need to substitute everything inside the formula. So the length of arc is 55 cm. So the theta given is 30 degree over 360 degree times 2 times 22 over 7 times with r. R is the length of the pendulum that we want to find. Okay, so take out your calculator and calculate it one by one. So we are not going to multiply anything here because it's alone. So we just need to write it down back. So take your calculator and calculate 30 over 360 degree times 2 times 22 over 7. So you get the value here is 11 over 21. But with R. So same goes with the questions before this. How are we going to eliminate this? To make sure that the only things left is only R, so we have to multiply all these equation in these sides with 21 over 11 to make sure that only R left here. If we are multiplying this with 21 over 11 at the right hand side, then we have to multiply this as well with 21 over 11. Okay, I'm not going to explain more on why should I multiply with 21 over 11 because that is very basic. So the right hand side, okay, then after you simplify R and 11 over 21 and 21 times 11, you simplify this and it happens to be only R left here at the right hand side, and then you multiply this and then you get R is equals to 105. So you have to make sure before you end these questions, you have to make sure that the subject must be at the left hand side, sorry. So R is equals to 105 centimeter. Okay, that's all.